How does technology impact modern military units today? Imagine a battlefield where soldiers are supported by machines that see everything, communicate instantly, and strike with pinpoint accuracy. That's the world of today's military units. Technology has completely changed how armies operate and how soldiers live their daily lives. It's not just about bigger guns anymore. It's about smarter tools that make a real difference. Artificial intelligence and automation are at the heart of this change. These systems analyze huge amounts of data from satellites and sensors to give commanders a clear picture of what's happening in real time. This helps them make faster, better decisions. Drones and autonomous ground vehicles can carry out dangerous missions without risking soldiers' lives. For example, unmanned aerial vehicles can fly over enemy territory, gather intelligence, and even carry out strikes without a pilot on board. These systems are produced in large numbers, sometimes millions of units a year, making them affordable and easy to deploy. Precision-guided munitions are another big step forward. These are missiles and bombs that can hit targets with incredible accuracy from long distances. They help reduce collateral damage and keep soldiers out of harm's way. Instead of sending troops into risky situations, forces can now strike from afar, hitting enemy targets with minimal risk. This expands their reach and gives them more options during combat. Communication technology has also advanced rapidly. Modern military units relying on networks that connect sensors, vehicles, weapons, and personnel instantly. This Internet of Military Things allows for seamless sharing of information, making coordinated actions much easier. Soldiers can respond quickly to changing situations, and commanders can manage resources more efficiently. New weapons like directed energy devices and hypersonic missiles are pushing the limits of what's possible. These tools can deliver powerful strikes at speeds that challenge existing defenses. Meanwhile, advances in biotechnology are improving soldier health and performance. Better medical treatments and performance-enhancing techniques help soldiers stay in the fight longer and recover faster. Living in the armed forces today means using these technologies daily. Soldiers depend on advanced communication gear to stay connected. They use AI tools for navigation and threat detection. Robotic systems help with dangerous tasks like clearing mines or evacuating casualties. But adapting to these rapid changes means ongoing training and learning new tactics. In the end, technology makes military units more effective across land, air, sea, cyber, and space domains. It helps keep soldiers safer while increasing the speed and precision of operations. This ongoing evolution shapes how wars are fought and how service members experience their time in the armed forces.